Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I actually decided to start my Christmas shopping, and of course I want to take you guys with me. Now I know that it's super early, but I'm actually really excited for Christmas, and I'm pretty sure that like all the shops had already like pulled out their Christmas decor and any of that. And so I don't know if I will actually buy anything today, but I'm for sure gonna go and have a look around. And now I'm actually going to Poundland because I want to see their new bits. And yeah, let's go. Wow, how pretty is these? Oh my god, you guys, look at what I just bought. I mean, what a perfect day to go Christmas shopping. I thought it was early, but it's out. Wow. There it is. Poundland. So I'm thinking about giving like my friend sort of like stocking with like a bunch of things inside. I feel like this box will be perfect for that. Oh my god, look at this one. Whoa, this is so pretty. So I think the final decision will be between these two. I really love the shape of this one, but at the same time I really like these colors. Oh my god, they're so pretty. So I got this the other day for myself, and my mom saw it and said that she wanted one as well, so I'm definitely gonna bring one of these for her. Oh my god, this is adorable. I have to get this for myself. I love this. I need this in my life. This is so friggin' pretty. It's like my aesthetic. They also have like calendar with like the same aesthetic. Whoa, this is so sparkly. Oh my god, this calendar is also so pretty, and now I don't know if I want to get this one or like that one. And finally, here's the Christmas aisle. Oh my god. I'm definitely gonna get like one of these lights for my friend. I think they're super cute. Oh my god, there's so many. Also, look how pretty is this. Wow, this is so pretty. Also, like, can we talk about these? Whoa. Whoa, this is adorable. So modern though. So for my friend, I'm thinking about either get that one that I showed you guys, or I feel like even these would be super cute, and I can always fill it out with like a bunch of things inside. I love this purse. This is so cute. So I know you may think this was not a success at all since I didn't end up buying anything, but honestly, my mind is so much clearer. I know exactly what I want to get to my friend. And I'm so sorry for the noise. So many cars passing by, so I think I'm gonna actually update you guys in a better spot. Much better, right? So, as I was saying, I'm planning on buying like a bunch of tiny little things for my best friend, and then have them all inside a box or a stocking. And I don't know, I think it's gonna be so much fun, but I wanted to actually plan everything that I wanted to get her, so that I know exactly what I want to buy, and also do have a budget for that. So I want to buy as many things as I can in that budget, and oh my god, I'm just so excited. I'm definitely gonna vlog when I'm buying stuff for that, when I'm actually making the gift, and yeah, it's gonna be so exciting. But anyway, other than that, thank you guys for coming along with me. Hope you have some sort of inspiration about what we can find in Poundland for the Christmas season. I'm really obsessed with this ornament. I think it looks so freaking cool. And then as for the stationery bits, you guys probably already know which one I picked up, but I'm thinking about doing like all just about stationery, like organization for the new year. So let me know if you guys will be interested in that in the comments down below. And other than that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And